Are you ever in need of a length-adjustable arm, but can never find one that's long enough, portable, or easy to set up and take down? Well, look no further than the JGEN stick, Group 18 Industries' newest invention. The JGEN stick is a simple yet versatile mechanism that serves the purpose of applying two parallel forces on opposing surfaces, and it can be utilized in a multitude of different situations, like for example, supporting a table when you are replacing one of the legs. Hi, I'm Victoria Burbridge, Executive Chairman of Group 18 Industries, and I am so excited to share with you our product that everyone is raving about these days. While there have been similar products in the past, what separates the JGEN stick from others is its ultra-lightweight design that makes it incredibly portable, the disassembly tool that is provided with every purchase, and its record-breaking length of 41 inches that has never been done before. Here at Group 18 Industries, we are so confident in the strength and durability of the JGEN stick that we offer a lifetime warranty with every purchase. The JGEN stick is composed of two aluminum alloy arms, a stabilizer mechanism, a titanium lock piece, and a hand crank titanium gear. It can extend from 33 inches in length to 41 inches in 1 centimeter increments. The ends of the arms are covered with grippy felt, so you don't have to worry about the JGEN stick sliding or scratching the surfaces you use it on. Setting up the JGEN stick is incredibly straightforward, and once the mechanism is built, you can easily adjust the height of the JGEN stick by turning the gear until you've reached your desired length. To avoid the JGEN stick extending too far, circular caps are placed on the ends of each arm to prevent the gear from rotating more. One component of the JGEN stick that I am especially excited about is its titanium lock piece. Once you've adjusted your JGEN stick to the desired length, you can insert the lock piece between teeth to ensure that the stick will not budge and the height will not be compromised. What a truly revolutionary design in the market of length adjusting mechanisms. Disassembling the JGEN stick is incredibly easy thanks to our patented special disassembly tool included with every purchase. To disassemble, wedge the tool between the stabilizer components, and just like that, your JGEN stick is safely in two pieces and is readily available for cleaning and easy carrying. We guarantee that the JGEN stick is the adjustable length mechanism for all of your needs. If you're interested, the JGEN stick is available for purchase at the Home Depot and Menards. If I haven't sold you yet, please feel free to stop by Group 18 Industries headquarters, located in Lincoln, Nebraska. It has been my pleasure today to show you a product we here at Group 18 Industries are so proud of. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to your business.